Merry Christmas! Time to put up the tree.
Let earth receive her King.
I thought, what better project to do for this channel around the holidays than to build a Christmas tree. A drag racing Christmas tree. I actually wanted one of these for my garage to put up on the wall, and I took a look around and they're pretty pricey. So, as usual, we aren't going to do that. Well, we can build one, and we can build one pretty cheap. So, I'm going to walk you right through the whole process here of how to make your own drag racing tree. To start off, we're going to be using some fence posts. It's just the plastic cheap stuff as our main body of the tree. So from that, we're going to need to mount our lights. So individual sockets are actually relatively expensive, as I found when I was shopping for them, because you need 10 of them. But what is cheap are these things. So they just about give these guys away. Links will be in the description for all of this stuff, by the way, so you can easily buy it if you want to do this project yourself. But I love these because A, I got a swivel, and they're made to mount right into a piece of plastic. So we can just take all of these guys apart, mount them right on the side here, and boom, we got our tree. We got all the lights that we're gonna need. I forget what it is. I think it's like 6 yellows, a couple of reds, staging and pre-staged bulbs. Got the bulb holders for the staging and the pre-staged bulbs because they're a little bit smaller. I didn't want to do full-size ones there because the real trees have a smaller type of bulb. So I think these little guys, these are the G14 base bulbs or G10 bases. I don't remember. It'll be in the description. But these little bulb holders will work out nicely for that. And then we need a way to trigger this so that they're not all just always on, because that's pretty cheesy. We've got one of these guys, and they've gone and done all of the hard work for you. So you'll see there's 6 relays on here, so we have 6 individual stages of lighting. It is adjustable. We can adjust how fast it cycles through everything. And it has this is a traffic light controller, by the way. So it can be used to control actual traffic lights, or this particular one, because it has 6 individual circuits, we can use it as a pro stock staging tree. Pretty freaking cool. So you remember how I said these are expensive? So what we're gonna do, the main body of this obviously will be the fence post, but we need these pieces that kind of cut across here. So I wanted to stick with the plastic just because it's easy to work with. What I decided to do was to pick up, fuck me running. What the fuck is this called? So what I decided to do is pick up some gutter, which we can cut apart and use to hide the bulb mounts up inside. But just like a pro tree, this part, the bottom will be open and the bulbs will hang down. I think that's going to be really cool. So, yeah. Ideally, that's about where I want our bulbs to be. So we need, let's go with 20 inches, I think. Now that's my kind of Christmas tree. I want to thank you all for watching. I very much appreciate it. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed. I have low self-esteem and I really need the confidence boost. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and have a great day.